Hi guys, Shokat here back with another video, and in today's video we are gonna do the unboxing of the Amazfit Bip, which is highly known as the affordable smartwatch from Xiaomi plus Huami, which they have built together and combined in a powerful watch, which you can see written here as Amazfit Bip. So let's see how the unboxing goes. Okay, now let's start the unboxing of the Amazfit Bip. Okay, so as you can see, we have the Amazfit Bip here, which looks like the Apple Watch and looks much of a premium watch, and with the cheap price in mind, this doesn't look cheap as its price. Okay, so this is the Amazfit Bip. Now let's open this up. Okay, so I think we have a charging dock. Okay, so here as you can see, this is the charging sign. So we'll just keep this apart and go to the watch. See, it looks premium. It's mostly premium. It has a translucent display, which means that the brighter the sun, the more you can see. As you can see, if I reflect the light over here, you can see the screen much better. And this screen is made up of Gorilla Glass, so it will not takes the small scratches. And as you can see, we have the heart rate sensor at the back and the charging pins, and we just have a single home button. And this is the strap itself. The strap is made up of silicone cover, and that's it. And it uses the 20mm strap. You can watch any strap, you can attach any strap of 20mm size. Surprisingly, this watch only weighs about 31 grams, so this is very light, very light than other watches, casual watches even. So you won't even feel that you are carrying something heavy in your hand. Like, this is, just imagine, it has 31 grams. It's like weightless. One thing that it doesn't have is the auto brightness option, as the screen is covered with bezels and you have a small screen, so it doesn't have the light sensor, for which you are not going to be able to control it with the auto brightness mode. It has the important sensors such as the GPS plus GLONASS, barometer, geomagnetic sensor, heart rate sensor, and accelerometer. You can use this to receive calls or receive messages, notifications, but you can't reply to them. This one is highly similar to Mi Band 3, but the difference is it costs a lot higher than the Mi Band 3, as it has some more features, and we'll be discussing the features in another video, so stay tuned for that. It has a 190 milliampere battery, which will give you about 45 days battery life. Because this is a translucent display, as you know, you do not need the backlight of this watch in the daytime, as the sun will cover up, but at the night you have to sometimes press this button to get the light up like this. It's really bright and you won't have any problem in watching the display. The straps are really good and durable, as you can see, and the build quality is the best till now. in this price range. So if you wanna buy one of this, so you can go and purchase it in the shop. Now let's get to the pairing process. So as many of you guys know, it needs the Mi Fit app in the Android or iOS version to connect with this watch. So as you can see, I have downloaded the Mi Fit app on my iPhone, and let's open it. So the setting up process is really easy. You can just follow my steps. Let's sign up. Okay, so it wants country. Sign in. I'll use Facebook for signing. You can use any of one of them if you have a Me account or the Google account. So I'll simply use the Facebook app. And once you sign in, it's easy as hell. The watch will do everything on its own. So I'll press continue here. Okay, create, and I'll give UK. For your, if you do not find your country here, then you can give your own preference. So I'll give here UK. Next, agree, continue. Okay, it wants me to sign up again. Continue. It will take a few minutes. Okay. So as you don't know, this is my father's account, and I will just set it up. Mail. Okay, you just have to set this up on your own, and let me set up and get back to you once again. Now for this part here, let me give you a small tip. Like most of you will be having your heights in feet, and here it wants in centimeter. So what you can do is you can just go to Google, like as you can see here, feet to centimeter converter. So I will just give here my feet. So it's 5.3. So as you can see, 161.5. So you can give 162. Let's put 162. Yes, and press OK. Now as soon as you finish up your setting up process, you will be forwarded to this screen, and simply just go to the watch, agree, and as you can see here, Amazfit Bip, searching, it will search. As you can see, it has found out my watch. Now just click here on your watch. It will start its pairing, and as you can see, my watch is already set up, and location only while using always allow. Like I am an active user, so I gave always allow, and if you do not need it, then you can set it up on your own. So that was it for the setting up process, guys, and hoping to see you guys in the next video. And I will request you to like my video, subscribe to my channel for more. Like I will be uploading more similar videos like this in future. So just subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button, and if possible, then kindly share my video.